Hi, my name is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker, at today nandito tayo ngayon sa Trevi subdivision in Marikina City to show you this tropical inspired with a mixture of contemporary design with 4 bedrooms and a lot area of 150 square meters and a floor area of 214 square meters. Let's go inside to see what the interior looks like. Let's go. Obviously, ang ating exterior is a mixture of a color palette of gray, brown, and a lot of white. And then we have yung mga design natin wood for the gate. And here on my right, actually 3 car garage to or 3 parking space. Isa dito sa kanan ko and dalawa dito sa kaliwa ko. And also, of course, we also have your pedestrian gate. So, pasok tayo dito. As I have mentioned before, 3 parking space to. High ceiling din siya, so kahit sedan, SUV, kasyang-kasya dito. And of course, you also have faucets and mga saksakan to wash your cars. Here is our main door. It's a very big solid main door gawa sa kahoy and also varnished, kaya maganda rin tignan. Upon entering the house, we have here the living room or the living space. It's a very big living space. And what you can see here is meron tayong madaming sliding doors para maraming natural light na pumasok, and if you want air circulation, maganda rin siya, mahangin, hindi siya sobrang init. This is not included, but if you want it to be included, we can negotiate that with the owner. And then we have your lighting fixture here para chandelier in the middle of the living area, and meron tayong recessed ceiling tapos may mga pin lights sa corners na warm lights para medyo moody yung ating living area. So over here, marami pa tayong papakita dito, pero over here we have your dining area. It's also a spacious dining area, but what we see here, yung table hindi siya kasama. But again, if you want to negotiate it with the owner, pwede naman if you really want this table to be included. Kasya dito 6 to 8 people, depende kung gaano kalaki, pero the most optimal capacity is 6 persons. Yan. Again, as I've mentioned before, marami tayong sliding windows or sliding doors dito para if you want natural light or air circulation, marami kang pumapasok na hangin at ilaw. And then here on my left, beside your dining area, we have your kitchen. We have here your bar counter. This is made out of granite for your bar counter. And then here we have your provision for your refrigerator. And then here we have the counter spaces, again made out of granite. Tapos meron tayong dual sink dito with aluminum sink or faucet, sorry. And we also have a lot of cupboards, a lot of cabinet spaces overhead here. So kung marami kayong ginagamit for your kitchen, and maganda rin yung mga materials na ginamit for your cabinets. And we also have actually a provision here for your exhaust. Kung makita niya may tubo sa taas, and we can put your gas range or in cooktop here. And we also have lots of cabinets and drawers underneath. Tapos meron pang mga drawers dito underneath the bar counter. Tapos may mga pull-out na marang lalagyan ng mga plato and other utensils. So of course, bago tayo umakyat, pakita muna natin yung setback or the places around the houses. So meron tayong door dito, and this one is leading to the service area. So yung ating service area, ang maganda naman dito is fully covered na yung area kasi there's a lot of polycarbonate na ceiling or bubong para hindi na maulanan sakali magluluto kayo dito sa dirty kitchen or maghugas kayo dito sa service area. And then at the sides or the setbacks of the house, we have parang a pocket garden here, but actually this is also a parang provision for your maid's room kasi as of now walang maid's room yung house, pero if you really want a maid's room, dito mo yung pwede ilagay kasi may abang na for your water and your electricity. And of course meron pa tayong isa pang setback at the other side, so may pocket garden ka rin dito. And we also have parang a large space dito beside your dining area, which is pwede nyong gawing sampayan for your clothes line or mga damit. Or pwede rin open space lang, or you can add more greeneries. And then another view of the other setback or setback sa kaliwa. So pwede tayo pumasok dito and we can see the staircase. So far, how are you liking this video? Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more real estate houses. So bago tayo umakyat, meron pa tayong bathroom dito and meron pa tayong storage room underneath the staircase. So this is actually a very big storage room kasi malaki din yung ating staircase. Although, yes, sige maliit ako pero relatively malaki na rin yung space niya dito. Sige, pakita mo Alvin dito. Ayan. So, hindi ko lang sure kung kita sa camera pero malaki yung space na to. So, you can put a lot of things here. And then we have here our bathroom beside the storage. Yan. But what I like about the bathroom is yun nga, yung design niya, a lot of grace, a lot of wood. So, hindi siya overly designed. It's still classy and sleek. And yung ating rainfall shower, I like this one kasi directly above your head. So, napakadali maligo and maganda rin yung materials for your aluminum shower head here. Or yung aluminum shower, rainfall shower. And then, of course, we have your water fixtures, a big sink, and yung ating water closet. And of course, your mirror. Punta na tayo sa ating second floor to see the bathrooms. And to see bedrooms pala. So, your ating staircase, so meron tayong railing dito. And as of now, wala pang glass itong railing. But if you can just add them if you really need the glass for your railings, for your staircase. Okay, so upon entering our receiving area dito sa ating second floor, yung ating palang mga steps ay wooden planks. And then yung ating flooring sa first floor ay porcelain tiles, so very nice materials. So here, our second floor, at the second floor, we have a receiving area so you can put here a couch or a bookshelf. Katabi ng ating receiving area for the second floor, this is our balcony over here. And what I like about the balcony, although it's not for everyone, yung ating tempered glass railing. So it's very contemporary, yun nga, modern. Just in case you need or marami kayong bata sa bahay, you can put railings na lang after sa taas ng ating tempered glass na railing. It's a spacious balcony so you can siguro celebrate here or drink your coffee sa umaga. You can just hang out dito. Pero it's a big balcony. Okay, so let's now move on to see the other bedrooms or to see the bedrooms. Okay, so this is the hallway and this is the first bedroom, which is actually the master bedroom. So, since dahil master bedroom siya, ito yung pinakamalaking bedroom sa house, obviously. And of course, we have your recessed ceiling with pin lights sa corners, with warm lights. And we have your provision for your window type aircon. We have your sliding windows for more natural light and air circulation. And we have your wooden plank na medyo light brown yung design or light wood yung design. And we have a sliding or built-in cabinet na dito with a mirror. Yan. Meron na dito. And the other space for your clothes. And of course, meron pa tayong cabinets doon, pero dahil matangkad ako, hindi ko maabot yun. Okay, so meron din bathroom yung ating master bedroom. So this is the master bathroom. Of course, malaki din yung ating fixtures. Yung malaking sink and malaking ating water closet. And meron ng bidet na kasama. And we have a glass partition, of course, para hindi pumunta yung tubig sa other side. And again, the aluminum rainfall shower, not directly above your head pag naliligo ka. So, we're done here sa master bedroom and tignan natin yung other bedrooms in the house. So, we're back here again sa hallway and this is another bedroom, just very near or parang halos tapat na nung master bedroom. So, of course, this is smaller than the master bedroom. Pero hindi naman siya sobrang small. Kasya naman dito double-sized bed. And then you also have your built-in cabinets dito kaya hindi na kayo mag-worry about putting a cabinet here. And we have your sliding window and your window type aircon doon sa taas. So, moving on to our next bedroom. Again, we're going through the hallway. And yung ating next bedroom is here. Actually, dun pa sa dalawa. And then for the bathroom, this is communal for the 3 bedrooms na hindi master bedroom. So again, we have your glass partition, we have your aluminum rainfall shower na directly above your head. And then we have a mirror, of course, your water fixtures. And meron ka ng parang shelf dito. Siguro you can put plants dito para mas warming yung welcome or yung ambience ng ating bedroom. And we have your bidet, large sink and cabinet underneath it. Okay, so let's go to the 2 remaining bedrooms. So, third bedroom of the house. It's actually almost the same size with the second bedroom. Kasya dito, double size bed. And then we have your built-in closet with a mirror dun sa door niya. Yan, so may mga shelves ka dito. Siguro you can put your shoes. And then we have dito hanger to put your clothes. Pwede mo i-hang clothes. Yan. And then meron kang parang a little table dito. Siguro pwede ka mag-work dito. You can put your laptop here since alam naman natin na work from home tayo. Okay, so moving on to our last bedroom of the house, which is here, just directly adjacent to it. Parang opposite side of it. Pero this is just actually the same with the previous one, pero inverted lang yung orientation. So we have your windows, sliding windows, and we have your built-in cabinet, and we have a parang table dun. And we have your same size ng bedroom na kasya yung double-sized bed. And what I also like about the bedrooms is mataas yung ceiling niya. So kahit mag-double or bunk bed ka, yung double bed na pa vertical, kasyang-kasya dito, hindi kayo masisikipan. So just in case na mas marami kayo sa bahay, you can also have that option kasi mataas yung ceiling niya. So that's actually it for this video. I'll be doing more videos about Trevi subdivision, so make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified for more real estate videos. And also don't forget to comment down what do you think of this house, kung ano yung mga nagustuhan nyo, ano yung mga hindi nyo nagustuhan, or what are your tips that you can give para to improve the real estate business in our country. So that's it for this video. My name is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker, and I'll see you in my next video. Keep safe.